15 divided by 5/3 times 9. 3 into here 1, 3 into here 3. Then we are left with 15 divided by 5 times 3. 5 times 3 will give us 15. Then we have 15 divided by 15. 15 divided by 15 will give us 1. 1 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we are to solve our division first before multiplication in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to solve our division, which is 15 divided by 5/3 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. We are going to keep 15, change division to multiplication, then flip 5/3 to 3/5 times 9. 5 into here 1, 5 into here 3. Then we are left with 3 times 3 times 9. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then we have 9 times 9. 9 times 9 will give us 81. 81 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.